The Harare City Council's housing director, Mr. Edimo Nakairo, pledged $80,000 on a luxurious family vacation to Zanzibar, while residents enjoy years without potable running water and the city struggles to procure basic necessities like toilet paper. Sanapinda mashoko anoonekwa kunzi aiwa director panapa vehousing vemuHarare City Council toona kuti aiwa vanoita a family luxurious party yanoonekwa kunzi aiwa vanobudisa $80,000. Panguva ino yatikuona kuti vana Jukuru Mafume nevakomana vese vamurikuona veThe City Council vari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana ava vari ngoripo zvavo kungodya mari yeThe State. Subscribe like on the bell icon. Timbile panapa zora nhasi nzvimbo yanyora chiti the revelations come as Harare top officials continue to enjoy hefty perks, with the directors earning up to $12,000 per month, while junior employees face delayed salaries. The commission also exposed that the city's 8 directors are entitled to fully paid holiday trips covering spouses and up to 3 children at the expense of ratepayers, with destinations including Victoria Falls, Mauritius, and Dubai. Further bombshells emerged when Assistant Director to the Town Clerk Matthew Marara disclosed they received $27,000 in holiday allowances, while on suspension for 30 months, including $9,000 for local trips and $18,000 for regional getaways. Harare residents grappling with crippling service delivery failures are left to question how a cash-strapped council can justify luxurious vacations for executives while the city's basic infrastructure crumbles. Tomashoko anobuda panapa vachikola for accountability vachiti aiwa vangandospenda mari thousands ese akadai, but the very city council yacho iri kutoshaya mabasic infrastructures nemabasic necessities nemaneds zvakaita even nematoilet papers and cleaning running water. Tudze mafundo enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu, so subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.